Hey, welcome. Let me guess, you're stuck in this little bit of hell where it's like you want to get your Openclaw running. You've kind of followed directions to a T from some other video on YouTube. You're doing this in a VPS. That seems to be where this happens the most. And you're getting this error that says Gateway Connect failed. And then it's like whenever you try to hatch your Openclaw via the TUI, then it just keeps showing this error over and over again. And it's like stuck in this loop. So maybe you just kill the process, maybe you uninstall Openclaw, you get frustrated, and it's like, I don't know about you, but I searched all over YouTube and on the internet for how to fix this. And it's like, I don't know, I'm sure some of the fixes are right there, but I didn't find anything that I felt super comfortable with. I tried a few of them, but I felt like I was starting to ruin my install that I'd already gotten so far to accomplish, right, on this VPS and everything. And it felt like some of these things were kind of digging into pieces of Openclaw that I was like, this sounds a lot more complicated than it should be. And so forget having to switch to a different port, okay? Forget having to restart everything and hope that works, because in a lot of cases it doesn't. But also, we don't want to have to do any crazy complicated reconfigurations of, all our files and try to do something nutty in there, especially if you're like me and you're like, I'm okay with this stuff, but I'm not like a developer, right? Like Unix isn't my thing, and like typing at the terminal and that kind of thing. I just want to get an Openclaw running so that I can enjoy all this fun stuff that it can do. Well, let me show you the simple 3-minute fix that works, okay? So let's get into it. Now, here's the thing, all right? You've done this in a terminal window, all right? If you've closed everything and you're just watching YouTube right now, that's cool. Go over to terminal and just kind of fire everything back up. And if you've got Openclaw still installed, but you just haven't been able to finish because of this, then just go ahead and run the Openclaw onboard thing and get it to this point again. So like answer the questions, get it to the point where it's like, do you want to hatch this in the TUI? And then it'll start doing this. And then just leave that window there and go ahead and in your terminal, just go ahead and say new tab, okay? So go over there and then go ahead and get yourself logged into if you're doing this on a VPS, get yourself logged into the VPS and everything so that you're at that point, okay? And then you'll have both of these windows kind of side by side, right? You'll have one tab with this where the error is occurring. You'll have the other tab where we're going to fix this, okay? Now, the clue to this actually ends up being, and I highlighted it right here, the clue to this ends up being right in the middle of this response. So they do give you like the info that you need. So we want to run this Openclaw devices list command in that new terminal tab that we just created, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and just type that in, Openclaw devices list, okay? That's going to be our first step. And let's go bounce over there. All right, Openclaw devices list. All right, and then just hit enter, okay? Now, that is going to show you the different devices that are trying to run Openclaw right now, okay? So we've got that, and we come back over here now. What you're gonna see when you run that, or what I saw is, and what it's telling you should see in that message up there, this message right here, what it's telling you should see is that you have a request ID that's pending, okay? And so that's what's going to come up. You're going to have two things here. You're going to have a device that's running, and then you're going to have one that's a request, okay? And so this is the one that says pending up here at the very top, and we just want to copy the code. This is like a string of characters and numbers. Just highlight that and copy it, okay? Use your arrow keys if you have to, or worst case scenario, just screenshot it and you have to like type it in. But just copy that, okay? And then we're going to, that's the request that's pending. We're just going to approve this request, okay? So step 3 is now we're going to run a command called Openclaw devices approve, All right, so we're going to type that in, and then we're just going to paste that code in at the end of that. Okay, so it's just going to look like a big long string of characters and numbers after this phrase, Openclaw devices approve. All right, and then we're just going to hit enter. Okay, and what that's going to do is just approve that device. All right, you may have to, like, I can't remember, you may have to like log in with your password or something like that for your root, or wherever you're installing this. Okay, but probably not. I can't remember, but I don't think you have to. So you do that, you hit enter, and then you flip over to your other tab where it's just going in this endless loop of telling you Gateway Connect failed. And boom, all of a sudden it's going to say, wake up, my friend, which is what it's supposed to do. And then you're off and running. Okay. So I hope that helps you out. I hope that was a easy fix for you. And it sure took me like a day of dicking around trying to look all over the place and think about what I wanted to try until I finally stumbled across this. So if you got something out of this, please hit the like button. And hey, if you're not a subscriber, I've got a lot of good stuff on this channel. So check it out, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. All right.